Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Paycom services. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paycom.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Paycom website. Now, in order to sign up for your new account, click on Request Meeting at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the demo request page. Simply fill up your first name and then enter your last name. Then choose your organization role followed by your phone number. After entering your phone number, also enter your email address and then enter the organization name within the company details section. After this, choose your country location and then enter the number of employees that you have. Also select whether you have international employees or not, and then choose if you have used the Paycom service before. You also have the option to add various comments or queries that you have for the Paycom team that they can address within your meeting. Finally, click on the Request Meeting button and this will add you onto the waitlist for Paycom. Once your turn has arrived from the waitlist, you will receive a notification email within the email you used to sign up, and then after your meeting is over, you will be signed up for your account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to sign up for a new account on Paycom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.